Show you how to make a Google PowerPoint and everything you need to know about Google in 5 minutes. So if you don't have an account yet, you need to have a Google account or a Gmail account. So you would see these features on top that says Gmail, images, and this like Google Apps button. So you need to log in. If you don't have, you need to click sign up. And then you can click the Google app buttons. So there's like a list of apps and you can find the different apps of Google here, and then you can just go to the drive. Basically the drive is where you see all your things, documents, Google Sheets, and anything that you have on the internet. For example, here Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, let's see, and the ones here. So actually you just click this, click new, and then click this, then you will have your new slide. It has the same features with Microsoft PowerPoint, but it's easier and you can check it online on your phone, so you can access it everywhere and no need to actually like share viruses from one computer to another if you're using your PowerPoint online. And what I like about Google PowerPoints would be it's very, very quick to load, unlike the Microsoft, and then you'll encounter problems too. And let's have in the title one. This one you can title it, has like add button for the more slides. And what I like is that you have less time preparing, because you'll have themes which are good, so less time in designing. And you can also Google some themes that you can search up Google PPT templates. And then this is like a free site, so when you actually look for a topic, then for example my topic this week would be about music, so you will be able to see some music templates. And then what you're going to do is that you're just going to click this Google Slides and then you'll have it. So it saves you a lot of time. And when you're doing like a PowerPoint with other people, it means you need to collaborate. Then it's easy to do this with Google PPTs as well, because you just share the presentation, but you need to have a title. So let's just say sample. Then you can add the different emails of your colleagues or your teammates, or you can use it through the link. You can give them access and give them roles as a viewer, commenter, or editor. So really, really nice. And when they're all online, you can actually see the comments here also. And also you can see like some tabs, some icons of the people who are online, and then you can chat all together. So one can track, one can like add their obligations or responsibilities in the slide, and then voila, you're saving a lot of time editing and everything. So I want to go back to the one I showed you, the free templates. So here you can click this like this, then you just click make a copy. So once it's done, then it actually links to your Google account here. You might want to check if it's using the same account or it shared the same account with yours. Yeah, so you just edit here and that. So it's very, very easy, and it saves you time. And sometimes you just prepare for a lesson for less than an hour or even less than 30 minutes. So I hope you enjoy Google Slides, and you can also add more GIFs for some slides. It actually works for me. You can just, when you add pictures too, you can search the web like this and you just add. So it's very easy as long as you're connected to the internet. The downside is you can't do anything if it's offline. So you need to be online all the time. But if you have good internet, then why not this? And then if you want to play a lot and have like fun classes through GIFs or GIFs, then you can totally use PPTs and just paste it whenever. And it's very easy to access, and you can share the link as well to your students, to those who want to review, but you only share the ones that can view the link, so they don't edit any content of yours. So yeah, that would be it, and thanks for listening, and I hope you like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any more questions and how-to questions all about technology and all about things you can use for interactive classes. All right.